Hey guys, I am showing you my car that my dad let me have in his will. If I can just get past everything here. We were working on this car a long time. I'd have to say about half a year or a year, and engine-wise, this is about how far we got. I'm going to give you guys a walk around the car if I don't walk into something. The car's been sitting here for about, I have to say, a year. Oh god. This car's really dark, so you can't really see much. That's not part of the console or anything, that's just something my dad put in there. I know you guys can't see that, but I have to slam the door because the door's basically broken. Okay, very dusty though, and it's got a bunch of rust in the back of it, and look at what I had to walk through when I started. I just giving you guys heads up that I'm going to be working on this car hopefully soon, and maybe videoing it, putting it on my channel. And if you like this video, like, subscribe, and share. Bye-bye.